it bleep. Disney Pixar's up, but only when Kevin makes noise or bleep. Disney Pixar's up, but only when Kevin makes noise or if he's on camera.
Hi, boy. Won't eat it all. Come on out. It's a snipe.
There's no such thing as a snipe.
But you said snipe is Whoa.
Go on, get out of here. Come on, come. Careful, Russell.
Hey, look, Mr. Ferguson. It likes me. Whoa.
Russell,
No, stop. That tickles.
get out of here. Come on, get.
Uh-oh. No. Kevin, it's okay. Mr. Fredrickson is nice.
Kevin,
Yeah, that's his name I just gave you.
beat it. Vamoose, Ram. Hey, that's mine. Ah, shoot, get out of here. Tom, beat it. Ah,
Can we keep him, please? I'll get the food for him. I'll walk him. I'll change his newspapers.
get down. You're not allowed up there. You come down here right now.
Ollie, could I?
But I told him no. I told you no. N-O. I see you back there.
Hey, that is a bird. I have never seen one up close, but this is a bird. May I take your bird back to camp as my prisoner?
Yes, take it. And on the way, learn how to bark like a real dog.
I can bark. And here's howling.
Can we keep him, please?
No,
But it's a talking dog.
it's just a weird trick or something. Let's get to the falls.
Please be my prisoner. Oh, please be my prisoner.
Stop bothering Kevin.
That man there says I can take you, bird. And I love that man there like he is my master.
I am not your master.
I am warning you once again, bird.
Hey,
I
quit.
am jumping on you now,
Russell.
bird. Here, bird.
Here, and I don't want you here. Bird.
Kevin's gonna miss me.
Sorry, messed that up.
No. Kevin, stay down.
Before we move on, here's another scene that features Kevin.
Hey, that's my food. Get off my roof.
Yeah, get off of his...
Kevin.
Hold on, Russell. Stand still. Look at that bird go. Straight up, you overgrown chicken. Get away from my bird. in good shape for my return. And they wouldn't believe me.
Oopsie!
I'm sorry, Kevin. Let's get you out of here. Come on. Come on, Kevin. Don't check around so much, kid.
Oh, I am ready to not be a prop.